Welcome to episode 2594 of your daily meditation podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and welcome to day 2 of the series we're exploring this week. Our theme this week is boosting your confidence, not only in regards to how you feel about yourself, but also helping you to feel more confident about all the things happening in the world today. In today's episode, you're going to be guided as you repeat an affirmation. Affirmations are a powerful way for you to focus your thoughts with intention. As you get ready to settle yourself down and make yourself comfortable, I'd like to share with you our sponsor for today's episode. This is the BetterHelp app, which I hear from many of you you're enjoying very much. Reaching out for help is a strength. We're realizing that more and more these days. So if there's something that's preventing you from achieving your goals or from feeling happier, BetterHelp is an app where your needs are assessed and you are matched with your own licensed professional therapist. You connect in a safe and private online environment. It's so convenient. You can use the BetterHelp app from anywhere in the world you are located. You can start communicating in under 48 hours. You'll get timely and thoughtful responses, plus you can schedule weekly video or phone sessions, all without ever having to sit in an uncomfortable waiting room. Research shows that people who have someone in their corner or someone to reach out to for support feel more confident. So if you want to start living a happier life today, as a listener, you'll get 10% off your first month by visiting betterhelp.com/daily meditation. That's better, BETTER, help, HELP.com/daily meditation. You can join over 1 million people who have taken charge of their mental health. So here you are getting ready to meditate. As you close your eyes, gently uplift them upward and feel this slight shift upward in your mood. You can do this movement with your eyes anytime throughout your day to help you uplift your thoughts and your mood. Relax your body, making sure your spine is nice and straight, helping to keep you nice and alert as you meditate. Soften your face. Relax your jaw. Relax your shoulders and your chest. Feel your stomach relax. Relaxing your legs and your feet. Ease into feeling good in your body. Every time you sit down to meditate, scan your body. Notice where you hold any tension and gently release it. Inhale and exhale through your nose. Notice how you feel today. What kind of mood are you in? Name your emotion. Reflect on what may have caused your emotion. Begin to notice this week what uplifts your energy and helps you to feel confident, and what causes you to feel hopeless or defeated. Begin to take charge of how you feel. Reflect on your inner strengths. How do you feel when you're confident? Name 3 strengths about yourself. These are qualities you can draw from when you begin to notice your confidence waning. Become aware of how limitless you are. Visualize yourself when you feel strong and confident. Mentally affirm, I am limitless. I am limitless. Focus on your inner strengths and how limitless you are. Reflect on people who help you to feel empowered. Absorb yourself in your inner wisdom, your inner strength. True confidence is sharing your strength with others. How can you share your confidence and strength with others this week? Reflect on this as you sit in stillness. You are so worth slowing down for.